Hey guys, Mike back again, Atlas Room Repair, working on wheel number 2 on this Hyundai Santa Fe. You can see this one's a little deeper up here. Definitely have to grind this one just a little bit, and a couple more little spots right over here. I just have to sand those out. But let me go ahead and grind these out. I'm going to use the red conditioning disc. It's the medium surface prep disc. Then we'll grab the sander with the 320 grit sanding disc on it. While I'm sanding this out, if you wouldn't mind hitting that like and subscribe button. Alright, that should be good. Go ahead and scuff this with the 1500 grit scuff pad. These and everything else I use to repair rims are linked in the description below. Clean this wheel up a bit. Again, we're spraying away from the tire towards the center of the wheel here. Cover that with clear coat, then we'll go back over it again with the black to dry spray it to get rid of some of that shine so it matches the factory finish better. And again, we're just going to squeeze this trigger just enough so just a dusting of paint comes out, and that'll flatten up that new finish to match the old finish.